If you're planning a party, there are a couple of easy tricks you can do to make your pillow box favors stand out. Chiffon flowers with rhinestones. Add a flower to each one of your pillow boxes using your hot glue gun to secure them. It's a perfect way to create something unique and something special for your guests. Another option, mesh ribbon and buttons. You can attach the mesh ribbon using your hot glue gun, then add a button for extra flair. It's just a simple trick to create something that's eye-catching for your event. For this episode of Let's Craft, I'm Shayla Reaves.